Hello students, in today class 11th maths we shall start our chapter number 9, which is sequence and series, which is sequence and series. राइट तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्लास में सबसे पहले हम ये बात करें कि हमने लास्ट क्लास 10th में भी एक सीक्वेंस स्टडी की थी, विच इज़ अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. इन क्लास 10th you have discussed about, you have studied arithmetic progression. So there are two words, one is sequence and one is series. What are the major difference? Exactly it is, that is sequence meaning the numbers, they are having a particular pattern and they are separated by comma. They are separated by comma. Whenever these numbers are aligned with a algebraic notation, whether it may be plus or with a minus, then it is known as series. Clear? This is the first major difference between sequence and series. Now come on our topic. Guys, in 10th class you have studied about arithmetic progression, that is the arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series. No matters, whenever the terms are be connected with the plus minus, then they are known as series. Otherwise, if they are separated by comma, then they will be known as sequence. So progression is sequence. So arithmetic progression you have studied in the class 10th. Now we will discuss here arithmetic progression, geometric progression. These two series are there, and special series we will discuss in the class is this chapter. Now we will discuss some of the sequence if they are given, and I think all you are know about it. Okay, there are sequence that is given and the sequence having some particularly difference to term. Then we will identify whether this difference be followed by the whole terms or whether it should be followed by some of the terms. If this difference is followed by all the terms and the difference be same, then we will show that the difference that is known as common difference, which is defined by small d, right? And the last term that we will calculate, or if it is given, then it is denoted in a arithmetic progression, which is by an or maybe b, right? Nth term of a given arithmetic progression, or otherwise last term, which is denoted by sometimes L also. Now suppose there is given one of the sequence, there is written find the first three term in each of the following sequence. आपको कोई sequence दिया गया, meaning suppose there is given an equal to n plus 5. This following sequence is given and you have to calculate the first three terms, right? तो टर्म को कभी आप नेगेटिव तो एक्सप्रेस कर नहीं सकते हो. फर्स्ट टर्म इट विल बी नोन एज व्हेनेवर फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, दीज आर द फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स, राइट? फर्स्ट टर्म मीनिंग whenever you calculate the first term, then you will place n equal 1 into the given sequence, and the term is known as a1, which is denoted by 2 into 1 plus 5, or the answer you are getting, that is 7. Similarly, you can calculate the second term, which is the n is replaced by 2 and the a2, which is described by 2 into 2 plus 5, and the result will be 9. And similarly, you can calculate the third term, and which will express by whenever n is 3, this is a3, then this will be like that. or the result is 11. So this sequence is given in the question and you can calculate the terms. There are first 3 terms, then we will place n equal 1 into the given sequence, n equal 2 in the given sequence, n equal 3 in the given sequence, and we can calculate the terms, right? Now we can come on next part. What is the 20th term of the sequence defined by like that? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये हमें दिया गया है, पूछा गया है, फाइंडिंग है कि 20th टर्म क्या होगी इफ द गिवन सीक्वेंस इज लाइक दैट. तो वो सीक्वेंस क्या है वो राइट कर दो. फॉलोइंग सीक्वेंस दैट इज गिवन ए एन इक्वल n minus 1 that is here and 2 minus n and 3 plus n. Right? Now the question is A20 you just calculate 20th term of a given sequence. What is it? तो वो calculate करना है. It means the n which is given there which replaced by 20 and calculate it. So replace now A20 which is equal 20 minus 1 2 minus 20, 3 plus 20. So there will be 19, there will be minus of 18, there will be 23. Overall the product of all 3 terms which is defined by minus 7866. Calculate it and write it here. So like this the given question is there. Every student understood this question. It's not having measure because this is general productivity that we are calculating now. And there is given, next example is given the A and B sequence, and where A1 is 1 and AN is given. A1 is 1 and the AN is given, that is AN minus 1 plus 2. क्या दिया गया है? Plus 2 for every n is greater equal to. अब देखना क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपरली समझना और कैलकुलेट क्या करना है आपको क्या फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग सीरीज आपको राइट करनी है. फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग सीरीज क्या करना है? फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. First 5 terms and corresponding series. ये 2 चीज़ें आपको क्या करनी है? कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो first the given sequence is also there and the first term whenever n is 1 is substituted there, that is given. So there are 2 things we should be have to calculate or solve this question. सो आपको पहले इस गिवन सीक्वेंस को प्रॉपरली ऑब्जर्व करना है कि ये सीक्वेंस कौन सी कंडीशन में अप्लाई होगा. दिस सीक्वेंस विल अप्लाइड व्हेन एवर n इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, विच मीन्स n आप आइदर यू कैन टेक 2 और यू कैन बी कंसिडर मोर देन 2 मीनिंग 3 4 5 लाइक दैट. तो क्या करना है? वैन एवर n इज 2 और मोर देन 2 यू हैव टू टेकन a n दैट इज a n minus 1 plus 2. For 1 it will not be considered and the value at n equal 1 that is also given in the question, so it is prohibited. You need not to place n equal 1. Clear? Now start the work. We will place n equal 2 in the given sequence and you will get a2 that is 2 minus 1 plus 2. This 2 is upside, this 2 is in the downside and it is written again plus 2 and the value of a1 that is given 1. So this will substitute here and the result you are getting which is equivalent to the 3. Whenever n is 3, then the a3 which is equivalent to the a3 minus 1 plus of 2, then it should be again written plus of 2, and the value of a2 that you have calculated here, that is 3 plus 2, then the result is 5. Next n is 4, then a4 you will calculate by the system, you calculate like that, and the value of a3 that will taken from there, then this is a3 plus of 2, then a3 value is 5 plus 2, then the result is 7. कितनी टर्म्स कैलकुलेट करनी है? फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. वन इज दिस, सेकेंड इज दिस, थर्ड इज दिस, फोर्थ इज दिस, राइट. Now we shall calculate the fifth term, that is a5, which is a5 minus 1 plus 2, so which is written again a4 plus 2, and the value of a4 we will take from here, and the result that will return 9. So the sequence and the corresponding series. तो the sequence क्या हुआ? Sequence of first 5 term. मैंने पहले ही कहा आपको, sequence will defined by separate to the term by the comma, whereas series with that is connected with the algebraic notation plus or minus, right? Sequence of the first 5 terms are 1 comma and 2, that is a2, 3 and a3 that is defined 5, and next 7 and then 9. These are the first 5 terms. These are the first 5 terms. Clear है? अब सेम सीरीज ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 terms. Series of first 5 terms, right? कैसे लिखेंगे? Like that. Nothing is there, then they will consider as a sign plus. Clear है सबको? And the plus is there, dot dot dot. This is the system to describe it in a proper form. Series infinite series होगी, and place करते जाओगे, calculate करते जाओगे. Series will be going on in a infinite number. ठीक है? Now come on our next question. In exercise there are such questions up to the question number 6 that are same that we have discussed on the board. Now we will take the question number 8. Clear? And the 8 is also indicated terms are given in A7. You just calculate, so it's very easy, no matter. And 9th, 10th are same, 11th are same, 12th, 13 are same. Now we shall come on our question number 14. Clear? Question number 14. So every student solve these questions in their notebook with a proper manner. Clear है सबको? क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर सॉल्व करेंगे, क्योंकि देखो जितना वर्क आप करेंगे ड्यूरिंग दिस सिस्टम you will get that much result, because the time is very crucial. In that time you just follow to your teacher what he is announced in their video, and follow him also what he is announcing, as well as what the work is given to doing in your copies. Similarly you follow it and do it in a same manner. Now the question number 14 are given there. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by 1 equal a1 equal a2, 1 equal a1 equal a2, and the an that is described by an minus 1 plus an minus 2 plus an minus 2 for every n is greater than 2. For every n is greater than 2, find an plus 1 over an plus 1 over an for n equal 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the Fibonacci sequence which is given here, a1 a2, that is the one, and for n is greater than 2, this is the sequence which is given, from where we will calculate the a3 a4 a5, right. Thereafter we will take the ratio of like that. Clear है? तो पहले हम क्या करें, different terms that we should require for solving it. a6 we should require, so up to the a6 we will calculate the value first. Now a1 is 1 given, a2 is 1 given, these are given. Now a3 we will calculate by formula of rest, a3 a4 a5 a6 we will calculate by the given formula a3 a4 a5 a6, that will calculate by formula an equal an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Whenever n is 3, then this will written as a3 equal a3 minus 1 which is a2, a3 minus 2 which is equal a1, right है. और आप एक बार प्रोसीजर को प्रॉपर देख लें. देयर आफ्टर वी विल राइट इट डायरेक्ट हेयर 3 minus 2 which express a2 plus a1, and the value of a2 and a1 is given, that is 1 plus 1, so the result is 2, right. Similarly, we will calculate the a4 which is equivalent to the 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2, so the result is a3 plus a2, and the value of a3 that is 2, and the value of a2 is 1, that result is 3. Now the next a5 you will calculate 5 minus 1 plus a5 minus 2, then it should be expressed a4 a3, and the value of a4 is 3 plus a3 that is equivalent to the 2, so the result is 5. Clear है सबको? a5 a4 plus a3, तो a3 का आपने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, a2 plus a1 that is 1 1, a3 is 2, a3 plus 3, a4 minus 1 4 minus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 is the 2 and 2 is the 1, then 3. a5 is 5 minus 1 5 minus 2, a4 a3, a3 की वैल्यू 2, a4 की वैल्यू 3, तो सम इज 5. Next a6 you will calculate, that is 6 minus 1 plus 6 minus 2, then it will again return a5 a4, value of a5 is 5 plus value of a4 is 3, so the answer is 7. Now these specific terms that we will calculate by the given sequence, now it shall place finding is this. So whenever n is 1, this an plus 1 over an will return a1 plus 1 over a1, then it will express a2 by a1. n is 2, so this is 2 plus 1 over a2, so a3 over a2. n is 3, so it will return a3 plus 1 over a3, and it will express by a3. Similarly n4 होगा, n5 होगा, तो अब ये वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, एंड द डाटा यू नो a2 over a1 that is 1 over 1 1, a3 you can calculate 2 over 1 2, a4 you calculate that is 3, and a3 you calculate 2, so the result is 3 by 2. Similarly you can calculate the a5 a6. This is not a arithmetic progression, understood this thing first. This is only we are discussing the sequence. If it is given, then how we can calculate the term, how we can calculate the ratio of the given term. So accordingly we just plan to solve these terms, and if it is find that sequence, then we will arrange them in a pattern with a comma separation, or otherwise if it is announced that arrange them in series, then we will arrange them in a series with the sign plus, right, and series be infinite. Clear है? तो इस तरीके से आप सारे 8 जो आपकी ये एक्सरसाइज है 9.1, you just solve it in your copy. I think every student should be clear about this exercise. You just calculate the terms given sequence. So there is 2 definite terms are there. So every student solve this properly in their notebook. 8 this sequence and series, chapter B, your 9. So this 9.1 exercise you should solve in your notebook. ठीक है. Again I will say thank you very much.